What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm taking a look at the DVDs and the alarm is going off like crazy over there. But I found a nice little section right here of a bunch of sealed DVD sets. I already picked up a couple right here, but I'm gonna scan through these and hope that they're worth it. Let's scan together. So I have my Amazon seller app open. We'll grab one. They're $3 each. And let's see. Scan it in. And here it is, brand new, $20. You'll make 10 minus my 3, $7. Are they all like that? Let's try the next one right here at 3. And scan it in. And what do we got? 22. Yeah, just about the same. That one actually will make a little more. So I think we're gonna probably end up grabbing all of these. So I was a little wrong after scanning through everything. All of these I had to leave behind. I only actually grabbed 3 that were worth it, surprisingly. But we did find a couple other DVDs. We found this one right here, this R.L. Stein's Monsterville for $2. I think it sells for about 20, so that's really cool. And then we got a sealed Blu-ray of Without a Paddle for $3. You guys can see this is selling for like 20-30 bucks. That's pretty amazing. And then this DVD right here, Treasure Island, for $2, going for 15 to 20. I really don't remember, but I popped up the prices for you guys, so very cool. And we'll go check out more of the store. All right, we are down in the toy section, and yeah, there's a lot of toys to go through, but the cool thing is I've already gone through them all. And take a look at my cart right here. Bam. It is jam-packed, jam-loaded. Lots of good stuff, lots of sealed stuff, a bunch of sealed Ravensburger puzzles, a cool little Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit game, brand new sealed Spider-Man web slinger, which is pretty awesome. I like that. What else do we got in here? A brand new catchphrase game for $6. Yeah, that's easy money. A brand new World Series of Yahtzee game for $6 as well. Still though, really good money there. Couple little 99-cent games in here. What's way down here? Let's see. We got a Banana Blast. Never heard of it before, but I had to grab it. Same thing with Slappy Camper. And just some other random things. So very stoked to have a full cart of board games. Didn't think I was going to get that many here. But we're going to keep looking around and hope that we find some more stuff in here. Do you guys remember Moon shoes? Oh my gosh, I always wanted these when I was a kid.
Nothing compares to new Nickelodeon Moon shoes.
Not so fast. You don't know what you're missing until you've tried sponge shoes.
There's nothing like Moon shoes.
Hey kids, how about cement shoes? Jump! Jump!
Anti-gravity device. How much are they? $8. Seems like a really good deal. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into these and see how much they're worth. These are the purple ones. Pretty cool. Wait, does it have a barcode? Oh, it does. I don't know if they're gonna be on Amazon or not, but I'm gonna look. All right, I want to see if they're new inside, and we'll pop it open and take a look at that. Still sealed. Everything is still sealed in there. Box has some wear, but at $8, it's definitely worth it. I found a very similar listing on Amazon, selling for I think 40 after fees. It was 60 something, and the weight limit was 130 pounds on the listing, and this one is 160 pounds, so it's even better. So I figure why not? At $8, we'll grab it. All right, so I was taking another lap because they just put out some new toys and games, and right over here we have for $2.99 a Monopoly Fortnite Collector's Edition, which is kind of cool. And right next to that, Monopoly Littlest Pet Shop Edition with all the figures right there, which is kind of nice. This one is $6, so it's a little bit more. I don't know if it's complete or not. I hate the tape on here, but I mean, all the figures are here, so I like that at least. They're both worth it. I'll pop up both prices right here so you guys can see. They are selling. The ranks are a bit higher, so it will take a little bit longer to sell them, but I mean, especially this one. This is crazy. So I did just cut into it and look inside, and everything looks good in there. So we're gonna grab both of these, and yeah, nice little bonus. Head to the cart. So we did really good at this thrift store. I filled 2 carts with board games and media and a bunch of just awesome stuff. Let's go to another Goodwill. Let's make this a 2-for trip. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill on a rainy day. Surprisingly, decent amount of people here. As people come thrifting when it's raining, I guess. I don't know. Let's see if we can find some stuff to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, just got inside. We're gonna walk on over to the media section first. Got our lovely cart, and oh, a lot of it's missing, which means they probably just sent a bunch off to the Goodwill outlets. I don't know. Normally this is completely packed. There's still a lot of stuff here, which is great. I have a lot of VHS at the house, so I don't really need any more, but I always try and keep an eye out for these Thomas the Tank Engine VHS tapes. This one's in really rough shape, so I probably wouldn't buy it anyways. It is $1, and it's been here for over a month, so I've probably scanned it before and it's not worth much, but I do try to keep an eye out for those. Let's see what else. See, now the cool thing at Goodwill's, I don't know if you guys have ever noticed this on your stickers, but if you look at your sticker, there is the date right on the side there. So this was put out on 11/7/2024. So kind of nice, kind of an easy way to gauge how long things have been sitting. And yeah, I don't really want to look through the VHS too much, so let's take a quick look at some DVDs, maybe some Blu-rays, see if there's anything here that stands out to me. Maybe some sealed things, I don't know. All right, we have one sealed thing right. Oh no, it's not actually sealed, so we're gonna leave it. I'm just doing a quick look at the DVDs. A lot of this looks to be what's been here for the past month. Maybe they haven't done anything with it because it was completely overloaded, and they're going to be putting new stuff out soon. So next time we come, we're going to take a look at these spots, and whatever's in these spots we'll definitely look through. Oh, here's a little patch of sealed things. Maybe Albert Norris is something. $2.99. It was put out on the 10th. Today's the 11th. So this could be something good. We'll look into that. We'll see... This, I've never heard of this. This also got put out on the 8th, a couple days prior. So I guess it almost looks fake. Let's see. Yeah, that's fake. That is printed on there. This artwork looks bad, so we're going to leave that behind. So really, I guess I'm looking for the yellow tags because those are the newer ones. So I'm going to scan this and maybe we have a winner. We can go check out more of the store. Alright, so I was just scanning through a bunch of the DVDs here, and I did grab some good ones.
Hi, sorry, I don't know if you know this, but do you know if they have like a medium-sized army of sleeping dog pillows here anywhere?
Yeah, we have the very thing right here.
Oh, perfect.
So yeah, they have a lot. Oh, I thought they were Squishmallows. They're called Sleepamellows. Oh, buy Squishmallows. And they're all from Target, and they're all $15 each. They don't just have this row, they have this row right here on the other side. Oh my gosh, they have so many of these. Alright guys, I saw this, which is pretty cool. Skyrunner Kids. You strap these on your feet and you jump real high. It looks wild. It looks like the things that Oscar Pistorius had on his feet when he ran in the Olympics. Did he run in the 2008 Olympics? He might have, I don't know. But the price is right at only $7.99. I looked them up on eBay, and take a look at the sold listings. Here we are, the sold listings, $185, 75 plus 41 shipping, 95 plus 20 shipping, 185, 120. So they sell. There's one issue though. Every single one of the solds that you see here going all the way back to the beginning of September is this 88 to 132 pounds. This is for somebody that's only 44 to 88 pounds, so a very small child. Almost too small of a child to where this could be very dangerous. I don't know. But none at that weight range have sold. So let me see if any of this weight range is even listed. Maybe that's why. Let's go to my filters on eBay and we'll sort by lowest price. Okay, so lowest price is $120 for the 66 to 110 pound. And that is one level up. So there are none listed at the 44 to 88 pound. Which I don't know. I'm scrolling. Yeah, not a single one listed. Maybe this one. They don't even say. So it's hard to tell. Maybe because none are listed, none have sold. That could be why, and maybe somebody wants one for their kid. I'll be the only one selling it. I think I'm gonna grab it at $8. You can't go wrong. Let's make sure they look good in here, look almost new. Let's get this open. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands for this. All right, so I just opened it up and they are practically new in there. They're both wrapped up. They come with little knee pads. So yeah, I'm gonna grab it at $8. It seems like a good deal. So Ashley just noticed this thing. It looks like a giant hair straightener. It's a vacuum sealer. It's a Power XL VS1. I'm like, oh, this is kind of cool. If this is also a few bucks, maybe we'll look into it. You take a quick look. It's $40 without the box or anything. It might be broken. There's a little piece right here. I don't know what that's for. I don't know. But I looked it up on eBay and it sells for 28 bucks working, $25. So 40, who knows? But at least I got the jumpers. Jumper things are really cool. And oh, I did grab a couple DVDs. Let me show you guys these. We'll pop up some prices. We have a brand new sealed Never on Sunday. And these are all $2.99 each, so $3. They've raised the price a buck at all my Goodwills. These used to be $2 each, but that's still good. And we have this Albert Knobs. Ended up being pretty good. So at $3, I'll take both of them. Keep looking around the store. Let's go check out some of the toys and stuff. All right, we are down a miscellaneous aisle, and I found a whole basket filled with printer ink. A bunch of them are open and pulled out, but some of these can be pretty good if they're priced right. And these are not priced right. They all expired last year, almost 2 years ago, and 16 bucks. 16 bucks. 16 bucks. So yeah, I wonder what they're actually worth. What I'm gonna do real quick is scan this in on Amazon. I'm pretty sure I'm restricted on this brand, but let's see. Let's scan it in with the Amazon seller app, see what comes up. Yeah, I am restricted, and if it wasn't expired, it sells for about 45 bucks. So let's check eBay. We'll scan this in, our code scanner, and what do we got? Oh, 45. Now, let's try typing it in, HP 952 XL, and then I'll do the year of 2023. All right, so I typed it in with yellow and 2023. There's a lot of 4 for $105. There's a lot of 4 for 92. So at 15 bucks each, 15, 30, that'd be $60. It still wouldn't really be worth it. I can't find just the plain yellow. There it is. 30 bucks is what it sells for. 16. Surprisingly, there might be a little bit of profit in there. Not enough for me, so I am gonna leave it behind. All right, I just left the aisle and I looked down on the ground here and I saw this arrow garden. It looked kind of neat, and it is how much? $20. Well, I looked it up used, and here it is with a great rank, selling super fast for $82. New it sells for $110. That's amazing. So we got to open it up and see if everything's in here. It feels light, but I don't know what I'm really looking for. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Okay, the pieces go back down. Light is in there. Let's see. So, that looks good. We have the power cord right here. And the power cord looks unused. It's all wrapped up. This could be sweet. I think we're going to grab this for 20 bucks. You know what? Maybe I plug it into the wall right there. Make sure it works. All right, it is plugged in and the light is working, and I feel the vibration of the pump wanting to work, and the red light for add water is flashing, so it should be working. That is awesome. We are snagging this.